Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2023 Toyota 4Runner SR5. It comes equipped with a 4.0 V6 engine paired to a 5-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, power sunroof, lane departure warning, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this black interior door, tons of extra paneling, couple of storage on the bottom, right next to the speakers. That'll come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows. We're going to have these Toyota running boards here as well, and these black and gray leather heated seats. Very comfortable. You have the power mirrors there with your power and as well as your rear wiper. Left side here, you're going to have your voice recognition as well as your volume control. And the right side, you'll have your lane departure warning, forward collision alert, and your odometer control. So here you can pretty much access pretty much all of your vehicle information, including your economy, a sway warning. If you go here, you're going to have your gauges as well as music, and the lane departure warning here as well. And then that's just other settings. It's going to be push to start, dual zone climate control here, and we'll move on to the infotainment system. Obviously, you can see here we're going to have map, but it's not installed, unfortunately. You do have your apps downloadable if you do need them, and as well as you can see your information, and as well as projection and setup. So you're going to have your climate controls down below with some extra storage, to a USB port, and as well as a 12 volt, as well as the cup holder, and your 2- and 4-wheel drive. You're going to have your power rear sliding window, the heated seats, and a center console with an extra 12 volt DC port inside. Passenger side's power adjustable, same finish, heated as well. You're going to have that wood and chrome go across the dash, speakers up top, and here you can access your reading lamps as well as your 8-track, as well as your power sliding sunroof. You're going to be 17-inch alloy wheels on Bridgestone tires with paint match mirror caps and door handles, luggage rack up top, tents in the back, trailer hitch down below as well as your fifth wheel. In the back here, we're going to have a splitter in the back, as well as extra storage and third row seating if you do need to pull those up. You're also going to have an AC wall charger as well as a 12 volt in the back. It's a very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, cup holder storage again right next to the speakers. That'll come up here with the power windows and the chrome handle. You'll have these reclining rear seats, lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger driver's seat, rear cup holders, rear ventilation, and rear USB-C ports. In the center, pop that open, cup holders and armrest. You're gonna lamps up top and handles on the side. Alright, well thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2023 Toyota 4Runner SR5. It comes equipped with the 4.0 V6 engine, as well as leather heated seats, rear USB-C ports, power sliding sunroof, 2- and 4-wheel drive, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.